Hello everyone, last day we went to Warsak Dam and we visited that place and it was really absolutely so beautiful and I thought I should share this with you. So let's move on and let's have some fun. So first have a look at this great mountain which is found in Khanpur and we have to pass through it to its bottom. So finally we have to go to the main road and to the highway. So finally we are at some distance from the Warsak Dam and have a look at this beautiful mountain too. So let's move onward. So actually we were late, so the security guard didn't allow us to go to the dam. So we have to stay here at the rest house. So have a look at rest house. So the most beautiful thing about this scene is that the river water flowing, it gives it adds some more beauty to this location. So we really enjoyed it and we had lots of fun and I hope you guys are enjoying it too. So this is the rest house of the Warsak Dam at some distance from the Warsak Dam. So here my cousin is going to shoot the video. I know what he is going to do. Oh shit! Really, he is really crazy. But yeah, he is very funny, and he is going to talk in Well, so this is about the whole journey. So this is about the whole journey. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.